Hi, I'm Niels from CoffeeCup, and today I'd like to show you how easy it is to effectively plan projects and assign the right resources using CoffeeCup. Let's imagine I'm working on an important project, the PM training sub-project, for example, and I urgently need a specific resource, in this case, a Java developer. Now, instead of scrolling through spreadsheets or guessing who might be available, CoffeeCup simplifies this in just a few clicks. First, I select the desired time frame for my resource assignment. I could select a few days, a couple weeks, or even multiple months, but for this example, I'll choose a flexible 2-week planning scope, this one. Next, I click on the PM training project to assign a resource. By filtering the resource list for Java, CoffeeCup quickly presents all available Java resources sorted by their current availability within the selected time frame. So immediately I can see that Niels has the highest capacity for this period. And notice how if I adjust the planning scope, the available resources will update automatically, giving me real-time data. Now, to assign Niels to the project, I simply click over the time frame, make adjustments if necessary, whether it's refining the start and end dates, tweaking planned hours per day or week, or adding comments. And then once everything looks good, I save the assignment, and now Niels is securely booked onto the project. A key feature to note here is that when showing me remaining availability, CoffeeCup automatically integrates absence data from your HR system, so things like vacations, parental leave, public holidays, and other leaves are already accounted for. This means your team avoids double bookings or manual cross-checking between different tools, saving you precious time and minimizing errors. Now let's take it one step further. How do I keep an eye on team-wide utilization? That's where the team view comes in. CoffeeCup provides a real-time overview of team workloads, showing exactly who is booked, in what projects, and remaining capacities. The remaining capacities being shown right now are across all projects, including non-billable projects. However, if I wanted to see remaining capacities in billable projects only, I can do this as well by using a built-in shortcut to highlight unassigned billable hours. In this case, for example, you can see that Luigi still has remaining capacity for billable projects because he is planned on a non-billable project. This feature enables me to quickly identify revenue-relevant capacity and make smarter staffing decisions that help maximize billable utilization and profitability. A different use case for the team view is to analyze remaining capacities for specific resources with specific skills. For example, if I wanted to look at the capacities of my React resources, I can do this by filtering for React, and I can now assess remaining capacities and manage planning assignments for this specific skill. All of this combined helps you make better, faster, and more profitable decisions without needing to dive into complex reports or juggle multiple systems. That's it. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.